If you want to set a live wallpaper on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, you can, for example, open the settings on your phone. Then in here we should be able to go to personalize. Then we're gonna tap on the current wallpaper that we have in here on the lock screen, and then you should be able to find the dynamic category. And then here you can find some example animated wallpapers that you can use. So let's say I'm gonna just download this one over here, and once it is downloaded you should be able to, of course, apply it pretty easily. There we go. So now we can tap on the wallpaper. As you can see, it is animated, so we can tap on set wallpaper. We can choose to set it on the home screen, lock screen, or both. So let's say I'm gonna set it for both, and there we go. Now we have an animated wallpaper. But if you are not really satisfied with this wallpaper, or if you are not satisfied with any of these wallpapers in here, then we can use third-party apps that allow us to get an animated wallpaper as well. So we can go to the Play Store, and in here, of course, we can use the search option, and you can search for something like live wallpaper, animated wallpaper, video wallpaper, and so on and so forth. As you can see, we have many different example apps that we can try to use. In my case, I'm gonna use this one over here, Edge, and it has a pretty huge library of different wallpapers. So I'm just gonna use this one, and I'm gonna show you, based on that app, how to set up a video wallpaper. The app is free to use, and all of these wallpapers that you will see in there are also free to use, with a small, I guess, exception. I believe there are some wallpapers that you cannot actually use for free, and most of the time you just have to watch an ad in order to get the wallpaper. So instead of paying, you can just watch an ad, and that is of course completely fine. So over here we have to tap on accept and continue. Then over here we're gonna accept again. You don't have to allow the app to use notifications, and if you see this premium offer, you can just close it in the upper right corner. Now over here at the top we can switch to video wallpapers, and then over here we can just try to find whichever wallpaper you like the most. So let's say I'm just gonna choose this category over here, and as you can see, the list of wallpapers is pretty huge. So let's say I'm gonna just select this one. We should see the animation. There we go. And if you like the wallpaper, you can just tap on this download button that we have at the bottom in here, and there we go. As you can see, we can watch an ad in order to get the wallpaper, or you can use credits. We get 10 credits once you install the app for the first time. So pretty much the first wallpaper is completely for free. You don't even have to watch the ad. But if you want, you can just tap on watch ad and you know, just wait for it to be done. So I'm gonna use credits in my case, and then we have the option to set a video wallpaper, or after watching the ad or ads, we have the option to set a video wallpaper. So of course we're gonna select it. Then we have to use set wallpaper, and then once again we can choose if you want to set it for the home screen, lock screen, or both. I'm gonna set it for both. Let's close this. Wallpaper updated, so let's go to the home screen, and there we go. Now we have an animated wallpaper. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.